In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your audio is ready to use in your projects. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. From the results, select the official Heygen site. If you're ever unsure, look for the recognizable brand domain and layout so you know you're in the right place. Once the homepage loads, click Sign In and log into your account. After you're in, head straight to AI Studio. This is the workspace where you'll manage your assets and build your videos. On the right sidebar of the AI Studio, find and click Media. This is your centralized library. Next, choose My Media to view and manage the files you've uploaded. From here, you have two straightforward ways to bring in your audio. You can drag and drop your audio file directly into the upload area, which is quick and convenient, or you can click the upload icon to open your computer's file picker. Navigate to your audio file, select it, and click Open. Give the upload a moment to process. You'll usually see a brief status indicator. When the file appears in My Media, that confirms it's ready to use. For best results, choose common formats like MP3, WAV, or M4A. Keep file names clear so they're easy to find later, and make sure your internet connection is stable while the upload completes. If you want your avatar to speak using your own recording instead of a text-to-speech voice, look for the script area on the left sidebar. Inside that script panel, select Upload Audio, then choose the recording you want to use and click Open. Heygen will attach that audio to your script so the avatar delivers your exact voice track. Keep your recording clean and consistent. Minimize background noise, avoid clipping, and aim for steady volume. If lip syncing is important, try to match the audio length to the scene or script segment you're using. If an upload doesn't go through, double-check the file format and size, then try again. Renaming a file to remove special characters can help in some cases, and shorter clips typically process faster. Interface labels may evolve over time, but the general path, AI Studio, Media, My Media, then Upload, remains the same. That's it. You've successfully uploaded audio to Heygen and, if you choose, connected a recording directly to your script. Your audio is now available in your library for any future project.